How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some LED pod brackets along the side of the windshield. These are direct bolt on. They use a bolt from the fender, and you can buy these kits from David McLeod at McLeodfabrication.jimdo.com. He offers these specific brackets for $30 and dual pod brackets, which can go, it's pretty much another pod on top of that one, that are $40. Like I said, they're direct bolt on with a fender bolt, and yeah, they look cool. So let's get right into it. So first step you're going to do is just pop your hood. So let me pop my hood real quick and we'll be right back. So for you guys that don't know how to pop your hood, pretty much right under the Jeep logo, you lift up the hood a little bit, and there's a little lever that's on the bot, goes into the grill. So you want to stick 2 fingers under, you'll feel it with your finger, just push it up. Push up your hood, and all the ice just fell off, so because it is snowing outside. So let me clear it off and I'll show you guys how to do the install. Now once you guys pop the hood, if you look towards the hinges of your hood, there's a fender bolt. So there's, so to show you, 1, 2, 3. It's this final bolt right up here, and if I zoom in a little bit, it's that bolt right there. So use a 10mm ratchet and just put it on, and you tighten it and loosen it. You're gonna want to loosen the bolt and then just line up the bracket. So these brackets are side specific, so you guys will see there's a bigger side over here. Now this means it's for the passenger side. The other side will have this on the other side, so that's the driver's side. You just want to undo this bolt, line up the bracket, and the bracket should line parallel up with this black windshield stripping. You know, I'm not going to take off the entire bracket in this video because I have it all wired up and everything. I don't want to mess up everything, but no, they're really simple. It takes like 5 minutes to mount them up and everything. You know, and wiring up, I'll go through all the wiring in another video, but pretty much this is for all my light bar and my pod wiring. Got LED resistors for headlights, but all of this is for the wiring for the light bar and the pods. And get close up with the bracket on the driver's side. Now this actually isn't the factory bolt. The factory bolt was actually stripped, so if you guys encounter that and you can't tighten it back up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to find a 10mm bolt, and you can either find a 10mm bolt, or you can use a self tapper and drill a new hole. I would suggest trying to find another 10mm bolt to put there, but you know, that's just me. I wouldn't want to do, I mean, you know, you guys can do whatever you guys need to do, but yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I said, 5-minute install, really self-explanatory. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Leave a like if this helped you out, and subscribe for more Jeep Patriot videos.